All right, we're going to go ahead and talk about how to find the volume of a rectangular prism. Okay, first of all, we need to talk about what volume is. Okay, up to now we dealt with perimeter, which is just the distance around, right? Okay, really that's just one dimension. Then we talked about area, which is like basically everything in between. We did that times that. Okay, now volume is adding another dimension to this. Okay, so if you look at my handy dandy cube. Okay, so first the perimeter of this shape. We're just dealing with this shape. Hey, and the perimeter is this around. Okay, then when we have area, we've got two dimensions. We have the height and this, and then we're finding out all this. Okay, when we talk about volume, we're talking about this whole thing. How much can this whole three-dimensional shape hold? So we're talking about three dimensions. We're talking about the length, the width, and then we're adding a new dimension, which is this distance, the depth. Okay, so with the cube, pretty straightforward. So if this was 3, well, we know everything else is going to be 3. And again, the formula for volume okay. Basically what they tell you for formula is the area of the base. Okay, so you find the area with the cube. I mean, anyone could be the base. It doesn't really matter. The area of the base. So say this was 3, this was 3, this was 3. Okay, the area of this would be 9. So you find the area of the base, 9, and you take it times the height, which is also 3. 9 times 3, 27. Okay, so with the cube, I would have 27. Say that was, I don't know, inches. Okay. Now when we write the unit for volume, you put a 3 here because now we're talking 3 dimensions. We've got the length, the length, the width, and now we've got this depth, this added third dimension. So we read this as 27 inches cubed. All right. So let's go ahead and try this little deck of playing cards. Okay. This is a rectangular prism. Okay, so we would find, well, in this, okay, so we would find in this case the area of the base, okay, which I guess we'll call, I mean, any of these can be bases. It doesn't really matter as long as you use that other number. Okay, so let's do this. The area of this, which is going to be, let's say this is 1. That's 4. Okay, so 1 times 4 is the area of this base. Okay, so that'd be 4. Let's say, I don't know, inches. Okay, so we found the area of the base, which is 4. Now we've got to factor in this number right here. This is the third dimension. Okay, so we've got 4, and then this would be, let's say, 6. Okay, so we have 4 times 6. The volume would be 24. Okay, a lot of people just think about it, and if it's easier for you to think about it, basically you've got the 3 numbers. You've got the length, the width, and then we've got the depth. Bottom line, you're just going to multiply those 3 numbers together because think about it, you multiply this times this to get this number, and then you turn around and multiply it times that. So if that's easier for you to remember, go for it, okay? But bottom line, multiply, multiply, multiply. Okay, that is the volume. All right, good luck with that.